Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup haul. So Nykaa had its hot pink sale a week ago. So some products were gifted to me and some products I picked up. And for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the entire collection that I have right now. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first one is gonna be Farsali. So I got the 10 ml size in both of these, this being the Unicorn Essence and the Skin Tune Blur. So the Skin Tune Blur is like a hydra blurring primer which you can apply it before your makeup. I've already used it below my makeup, but this is how the consistency would look. I mean, you just drop it, it's like a white consistency, and then you blur it out, and then it would blur your pores. It would blur your pores and give you like a soft blurry finish. And the Unicorn Essence is also a serum. I mean, it's a serum, so you can wear this before your makeup. You can also mix it in with your foundation. It would give you like a luminous dewy finish to your skin. So this is how it would look. It smells like berries, like seriously. And then it just has a dropper, and then you just blend it out into your skin, and it would just give you that like a soft dewy skin. It also has vitamin C in it, and it has antioxidants in it, and this one has cucumber extract, so which would sort of cool my skin. So I use both combined. This one I apply to the rest of my face, and this I apply only on the T-zone, mainly the sides of my nose, wherein I want that blur out feel to it. So yeah, I've got these two for Farsali. The next brand is Nykaa. So I got two Mattelicious lip crayons and two Masaba lipsticks. One being in the famous shade Nimbu Pani and one being Killing Me Softly. So I've swatched both the shades right here. I know my swatches aren't that good, but this one is in the shade Nimbu Pani and this one is Killing Me Softly. Nimbu Pani is like a sort of a coral pink nude shade, and Killing Me Softly is obviously on the red maroon undertone. For the next product, I have the Mattelicious shade. So the Mattelicious, I've got it in Pink on Fleek and Jade Rose. So I'll just do a swatch and I'll show it to you guys. This one is Pink on Fleek and this one is Jade Rose. Pink on Fleek again is a pinky shade which I'm wearing right now, and Jade Rose is a brownie maroony undertone. So for the next brand is Too Faced. I mean, this is like a complete steal on duo, wherein you get the mini mascara and the pen liner. So these are the two products, and I'll swatch them and I'll show it to you. Also right now I am wearing the mascara. I'm wearing the mascara on my upper lashes since it's a waterproof mascara. So the wand is pretty big, just like how it would be in the bigger mascara. So the wand is pretty big, but then the bottle is like tiny. That's okay, but it actually gives my lashes that length and that volume to it. And then coming to the liner, it's basically like the pen liner, but it has a lot of intensity, a lot of pigment towards it. This is how it looks. Yeah, and then the tip is also really thin. It's like a pen form. Like, I mean, if you want to do your wing liners with it, it goes very smooth. And yeah, I mean, it's really nice. It has a pigment towards it right when you apply it onto your eyes. So yeah, that was my Too Faced products. So the next brand is gonna be K Beauty. I have got her loose powder in the shade Latte. So the packaging looks something like that. She has got her branding in the front, and then the description and the shade name behind. So I think for the price, I mean, it's $7.99, so you know, I know it's a lot of less powder in comparison to other brands, but I feel at this price point it's like actually okay. So it has this soft sponge towards it. So what you have to do is just that you just have to turn it back, tap it like maybe 4 to 5 times, and it gives you the exact amount that you need. Then I have got the two liners, one being Chic Emerald and one being Bespoke Blue. So here are the swatches of these two. This one is Bespoke Blue and this one is Chic Emerald. So the packaging of it, the bottles look almost the same color, but when you open it, it's a whole different color. So that's the only con towards these products. So for the next product, I have got her lip crayon in the shade Climax. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about these lip crayons, so then I thought why not just try them out. So this is the swatch of Climax. It's like a mauvey undertone, you know, with a hint of red. So I really like that shade. And for the next product, I have got the mascara in the shade Midnight. And here's a product. I mean, the packaging is quite thick, I'd say, and the bristles also towards this are thick, and I've used these on my lower lash line since it's water resistant, and it also gives your lashes the volume that it needs. Next I have this lip liner from K Beauty in the shade Vanity. And this is the swatch of it. I've worn it on my lips today. I've lined my lips with them, and it's really nice. It's a nice nude pink shade, you know, like for every day, for the daytime as well as the night time. Also, I've got the metallic eyeshadow stick in the shade Blushed Moonlight. So this is the swatch of Blushed Moonlight. It has a very pink coppery undertone to it, and it's a metallic shade. She also has the matte ones in the eyeshadow sticks, but I like this one out of all of them. So next being the NYX Cosmetics Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade 25. So this right here is the swatch of the NYX Cosmetic Concealer. As you can see, it has a pink undertone to it, and my undertone is warm, so I think I would just use that to highlight my face. Next we have LA Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This right here is the swatch of LA Pro Girl Concealer, and it is my shade. I mean, it matches my skin tone. I have not worn that right now, but it has a very medium to buildable coverage onto it, which I like. So moving on, I have a collection from Huda Beauty, which I'm going to show y'all. So first being up, I have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Icon. And then the liquid lipstick also in the shade Icon. This right here is the swatch for Icon in the lip contour, and this one is the liquid lipstick. Both look the same except the fact that this one is just wet and it's just drying. So those are the lips. And then for the concealer, I've got the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Granola. And I love this concealer because I do not have to wear foundation on it. It's a very full coverage concealer, and I've worn it right now. So I'll show you guys a swatch of it. This one is quite thick compared to the NYX concealer and the LA Pro Conceal. I mean the LA Girl Concealer, which I kind of like because then I don't wear foundation on an everyday basis, and I like something lighter on my skin wherein I can just, you know, conceal my dark circles or just any specific area of my face. And this is the swatch of the concealer. As I said, I'm wearing it today, so it gives me like quite, I mean, it gives me a full coverage, which I like. Moving on, I have the two palettes from Huda Beauty, one being the Emerald and the Amethyst. So this one is the Amethyst, and yeah, this one's the Amethyst, and this one being the Emerald. So I don't have these shades in my makeup collection, so I'm really happy that I have these now, and then ignore the fact that I've already swatched these. Also, I've got the Huda Beauty, the nude palette. I mean, I always wanted this, but this palette wasn't a part of the sale. I got it gifted to me on my birthday, so I'm really happy that I finally have this. So that, guys, was my entire collection that I have with me right now. I'm so happy and I'm so blessed to be having all of this makeup around me, and I cannot wait to create looks with them and show you guys and teach you guys also how to create them. So yeah, that was it for this video. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting more behind the scenes stuff on there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.